choose. May matagal ng isang tanong na walang gustong imbestigahan, pero sa sobrang daming artista, bakit si Camille Prats ang paborito nating Mars?
Mga tiktropa, mag-ingay para sa ating paboritong Mars,
Camille Prats!
Sino ang pumili, no? May botohan ba nangyari? At kung siya ang favorite, no? Sino ang least favorite? Huwag niyo sagutin, no? May kontrata ako, no? Ang ganda! So when I found out na siya ang main speaker sa Home, Heart, and Harmony by Garden City,
So ano po ba ito?
I did what any responsible citizen searching for the truth would do! Pinuntahan ko siya at ladies and gentlemen, hindi lang ako pumunta. Tinanong ko rin siya. Alam ko hindi kayo nagtatanong, but Camille Prats said in her presentation, home is the place we choose. Heart is the love and values we bring. And harmony is created when home, family, work, and future support one another. Guys, hindi to inspirational talk. This was a surprise quarterly performance review ng pagkatao ko! Alam mo yun, no? Nakangiti lang si Camille habang nire-reorganize niya ang priorities ko in public. Pero alam mo, hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon. You know, after the event, dinala kami sa Garden City Experience Center. At doon, mga be, the speech had a floor plan for work by co-working space. Para may designated space ka to send that gentle follow-up email. Kahit wala ka namang gentle nararamdaman, no? For help, no? May gym. May jogging pad, may outdoor pool at heated lap pool. Kung saan pwede mong sabihin, no? Monday na talaga. Monday na talaga ako magsisimula. And for families, no, may playroom, outdoor playground, kiddie pool, barbecue pits, at you guys may KTV room. Kung saan, no, pwede mong i-convert ang unresolved issues into Regine Velasquez songs, no? Ang ganda! You know, Garden City is a nature-inspired residential development currently under construction sa Bacoor City. And finally, no, nasagot na ang pinaka-importanting tanong. Bakit si Camille Prats ang paborito nating Mars? You know, because she can say 3 simple words. Say it with me. Home, heart, and harmony. And Garden City took that idea and gave it actual rooms, amenities, and a freaking floor plan! So, if you're already entering your homeowner or investor era, visit the Garden City Experience Center at Aspire Corporate Plaza. Or message at Garden City PH to ask about available units or current offers, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.